Climate change, droughts and floods are the uninvited guests of Somalia. It is a devastating trend in a country where around 80% of people make their living on the land. Livestock are dying. People are suffering. This is happening due to the effect of global warming that the world has been experiencing. However, Somalia's drought is even more severe due to deforestation. People have been cutting trees for all kinds of purposes, whether it's for charcoal, building homes, or fencing livestock, and no one has been replacing the trees. The only thing that is left now is dead land, and nature itself has been eradicated. The scarce water is contaminated, and no water reserves in place. Nomadic communities travel miles in search of grazing land, firewood and water, but because of the droughts and deforestations, there isn't much ground cover. Imagine the conditions of the rural communities in Somalia. Decades of environmental damage has turned pastures and forests into deserts, leaving the most vulnerable people to abandon their way of life, to lose hope, to seek temporary shelters in IDP settlements. Marine and coastal ecosystems destroyed. Illegal, unregulated and unreported fishing industry forced local fishermen out of the waters, while the vital mangroves and fringing coral reefs have been severely degraded. The lack of strong government policies, tools and poor infrastructure has exacerbated the community's problems. It can be easy to become disheartened in the face of these challenges we see around us. But is it possible to see Somalia without reoccurring droughts? Is it possible to build drought-resilient communities in Somalia? It's the question on everybody's mind right now. The answer is yes, we can. Together we can bring barren land to life. Together we can grow enough food to feed ourselves. Together we can restore the earth. Somalia Dry Land Solutions is a community-led grassroots movement that partners with ecosystem restoration camps. Our main aim is to build ecosystem restoration camps all over Somalia, raise awareness about ecosystem restoration, while at the same time strengthening local communities to restore their own land. We don't need to wait for the system to change. We invite you to become a part of the solution in reversing ecological destruction for our security, for our climate, and for our future.